mbaniriza nnyo nze Chef Josh Fireman from CCC. Ngenda kusaba kwena wena yokulaba online. Please subscribe, like and share. Today we are here to do a unique dish. We are going to do an Easter dish. So we have some Vienna sausages here, like you see them, but you can use normal sausages. We are going to do hash browns. We are going to do frippe pancakes containing some raisins in them. We are going to do toasted bread, etc. So, tutandise ne hash browns. Tugenda kuba tukola obumonde bwaffe buno. Nkusaba tovaako ekintu kino tugenda kikwata mpola mpola. Okay, go na wena ali okutulaba. So, obumonde bwaffe tumaze obusala. Tugenda kola hash browns. So, tugenda kussa wano mu paani yaffe erimu amazzi. Mu paani yaffe muno mwennyini tuyakusaamuko omunnyo ne ka turmeric for color. I'll apply some little turmeric. Remember, we are doing hash browns. So we are going to boil. Okay, ng'omonde bwaffe butokota tugenda kuba tukola frippe pancakes. We are going to first measure dry ingredients separate and wet ingredients separate. So our dry ingredients are flour. Tugenda kusaamu ebijiko bisatu. Sijja kuteekamu bingi olw'ensonga just I'm doing a simple breakfast. Kijiko kimu ekya sukaali. You don't need your pancake okubeera ng'eri too sweet. Ngenda kusaamu just 2 pinches of baking powder. Then bwe mmaliriza nga ntabula. I'm going to set this aside. Ngenda kufuna eggi lyange. Eggi lino ngenda sooka lyetaagamu this egg white. So bwe mmaliriza, this one nkyalyetaaga ngenda disettinga wano. I need it. So ngenda kuwhiskinga. Remember, eri obumonde bwaffe butokota. So you have to make it frippe. So after osodiraba liri frippe, tukute egg white yaffe ne tugikuba to the fullest. So in this bowl you apply milk. Newe oba toyina mata osobola okukozesa amazzi. So muno mu bowl yange nataddemu eŋŋano. Then I applied sugar, then baking powder. Then ngenda kuteekamu my egg white. Ngicreaminze bulungi nefuuka frippe. Olw'ensonga njagala kukola frippe pancakes. So you can see it. So ngenda kukwata n'eggi lyange lino nalyo nditeekemu. We are going to first apply some oil. First grease the pan. So I'll pour my pancake. Then I apply my raisins. Okumanya nti no kana akantu kayidde kalina okuleeta bubbles at the top. Kitegeeza kaba good to go. Remember, you need it golden brown. Just look at this. So we are serving our pancakes. So mu bowl yaffe we are going to apply the boiled Irish. So I'm going to set it aside. So in my hash browns, I'm going to apply some vegetables. I have some green pepper too. So I'm going to start mashing my Irish. I'm going to start mashing my Irish. So after mashing, I'm going to apply some carrots. I apply some green pepper. I apply some onions. We are doing hash browns. Okay. We are going to mold. We are going to start molding.
Jeff, Josh, I'm a sister. Jeff, Josh, I'm a sister. Jeff, Josh, I'm a sister. Jeff, Josh, I'm a sister.
Okay, we are going to also make sauteed mushrooms. So I'm going to just divide them.
Jeff, Josh, I'm a sister. Jeff, Josh,
So tugenda servingirako n'obutiko bwaffe. Era nabwo tugenda kuba tubukola ki? Tubufumba. So back to our hash browns. Tulina eggi lyaffe wano. Tugenda kusaamu some aromat. So we also have our breadcrumbs. We also have our flour. We are going to first dust. Omala okayisaamu n'okamoldinga bulungi. Then n'oyisa mu magi. Then omala oyisa mu magi, you come in the breadcrumbs, you coat. Okay, buto waffe tumutaddeko ku pan. So we are going to deep fry. We're going to deep fry our hash brown. Okay, hash browns zizaffe osobola ziraba they are golden brown. Bw'oba tozaagala too golden brown osobola zikiringa out. Remember plating yaffe tennaggwa si yeera. Okay, jukira tulikola our Easter breakfast. So eno bagiyita oba tugenda kola kye bayita toasted bread. I'm going to get some Prestige margarine. Naye bw'ali ewaka oba oyina blue band bw'oba okozesa. This is our toaster. So tugenda teekamu emigaati gyaffe gino mu sandwich maker. So ne mu sandwich maker osobola okukoleramu yo toasted bread. Naye oba oyina toaster osobola ojja okyobwokya mu ki? Mu toaster. So this is what we have. So we are going to leave it. So we are going to do grilled tomatoes. So when you are doing grilled tomatoes, we cut them into rings.
Jeff, Josh, I'm a sister.
So tulina grilled tomatoes zaffe. Tugenda ku applyingako some turmeric. So we are going to also apply white pepper. So we are going to grill. We are going to grill our sausages. Ngenda zigrillinga. Leero tusazeewo okufumba variety. So trust me, mugenda kyagala nga kiwera. You give it some time. On this real pan, ngenda kusaako my grilled tomato. Remember, we are doing breakfast. Obe nalese dda mwembatumirako nnyo. Temukyamanyina kigenda mu maaso. Naye, our sausages are done. Okay, our toasted bread is done. Also gulaba. Guli golden brown. So we are going to also serve it. So we are going to do salted mushrooms. So you apply some cooking oil or osobola okukozesa unsalted butter. So ngenda zissaako. So after that, apply some aromats. Ngenda kussaako ne soy sauce dark. Okay, tugenda kola fried egg side up ne sun side down. So ngenda sooka mmenye eggi lyange wano mu bawel. So nja mmenya n'eddala. So tugenda genda ku pan. Going to apply our oil. So buto waffe ono olina okufa okulaba nti naayidde buki, ayidde bulungi. Eggi lyaffe eno nga bw'oliraba. So tugenda kukwata tuyiwemu. So tugenda kukola sun side, tugenda sooka tukole sun side up. So we are going to serve it. To get really well done. You don't need it well done. Kujja kuba client agambye alyagala li well done.
Chef Josh, I'm a sister. Chef Josh,
You bathe it, then you turn it another side. Okay, we are plating. So ngenda tandika ne pancakes zange. So pancakes zange zino nina maple syrup oba pancake syrup. So these are my pancakes. So ngenda zifinishingako off waggulu. Ngenda kufuba okulaba no bino byonna bigendako. So I'm going to slice my bread. So ngenda eggi lyange lino ngenda trimming a little bit. I'm going to trim it. I have my ash brown.
Chef Josh, I'm a sister. Chef Josh, I'm a sister. Chef Josh, I'm a sister. Chef Josh, I'm a sister.
Okay. Want to garnish? So this is my breakfast, like you see it. So ngenda plating anendala in another way. Ngenda plating anendala in another way. Ngenda basa batemuvaako.
Chef Josh, I'm a sister. 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 Chef Josh, I'm a sister.
I'm going to apply barbecue sauce katon at the top. Mbaniriza ku best part of the show. Tuli ku testinga biki bye tubadde tufumba waleero bye mbafumbidde ku breakfast. Naye ng'olabira mu kiyungu mu testing yaffe tuli ne head chef waffe, Chef Diana. Chef Diana, sooka obuze ku balabi baffe abagala.
The most creative chef of the decade.
Tonkubya. Okay, Chef Diana. Ka breakfast kali kacha ke mfumbidde olwaleero. Omanyi bannange kizibu okufumbira chef n'asiima.
Nsobodde okafumba nkusaasa naye kyonkoze sina kyenjula.
Olina ky'ojula?
Omanyi breakfast yemmiro esinga obukulu mu bulamu bw'abantu n'abantu bakimanyi.
Kituufu.
Kubanga yemmiro etandika olunaku. So erina consisting of the nutrients. Era kyokoze.
Kakati njagala abantu bagambe buli item eriko mugaso ki era lwaki tugiteekako.
Nga tutandika ne fruits.
Fruits zizino.
Fruits ne juice. Bina vitamins. Biyamba olubuto kubanga bwobanga wasuze ekiro kiramba nga tolya ose webase then okera kumakya nga oli empty tosobola kukwata abantu balumu bakwata muwogo oli yasuze chapati ebintu ebikaluba nakisookayo mu lubuto abamu basuza amawulu ga muwogo ebintu ebikaluba kaluba ebyo chapati ekiro kikaluba nakisooka mu lubuto which is not what good, which is not good for their health. Kumacha actually but advising okusooka nonywa glass y'amazzi then osobola kunywa juice ne fruits zo nebeweza ku lubuto lwo then bwomala nozamu laba emmere eno kuliko vegetable kuliko ekijanjalo kikino tulina akamonde proteins weziri ejiri lino omugaati and pancake, it is a sweet pastry. Sausage yino nina ku nyama.
Sausage weri.
Nyama yino.
Enyanya.
Tulina wano obutiko. Oh my God, this is a balanced diet.
That's
so otandika olunaku with a balanced diet like this. Olunaku lwajja kutambula bulungi. Obulamu obeera bujja kutambula bulungi.
See when you see me, catch you and catch me.